Soonpay, a convenient and secure contactless payment platform, enables retailers and users to simplify payments between them. Users can join the retailer's payment network easily and pay. This versatile application offers bilingual support, allowing users to seamlessly switch between English and French, as per their preference. To get started with this application, users are required to complete a straightforward registration process, which includes verifying their phone number. Upon receiving the verification code, users can easily confirm their phone number. Once the verification is successful, users will be prompted to provide essential personal details, including their first and last name, and set up a secure password. Upon completing these steps, the user gains access to the application's homepage. On this page, there are buttons for settings, online payments, and various services and transactions. Additionally, a refresh button is available, which enables the user to manually refresh the retailer list and view nearby available stores. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose the user has entered an area where there is a retailer named Taffer. The user can choose this retailer and initiate the payment process. Alternatively, there is another payment option available to the user, which is for online payments. To make an online payment, the user can scan a QR code and complete the payment. However, the primary payment method is as follows. Once the user taps on the retailer's name in the available store section, a notification is sent to the retailer for their approval. Upon receiving approval from the retailer, an empty receipt page is displayed to the user. This page will contain a detailed list of all the products, their quantities, and their respective prices for items sent by either the retailer or the cashier. For instance, when the retailer adds an item, the user can instantly view this item on the page. Likewise, any updates or removals to the list are promptly reflected on this page. Once this process is completed, the retailer can send the final receipt and the user can access the payment page. Here, the user has the option to either add a new card or make the payment using Visa, MasterCard, or the application's wallet. Additionally, if the retailer offers a special credit card that allows users to earn the most points or rewards, the application may suggest using it to maximize their benefits. If, for any reason, the user wishes to modify their order, they can cancel the order and request the retailer or cashier to update the receipt. After the update, the revised list is presented to the user, and they can proceed with the payment. For added convenience, the application's wallet can be selected as a payment method. It's that simple. With Soonpay, paying is as easy as can be, just like a piece of cake.